Hey everybody, welcome back to another Merley on Time. This is just a quick unbox and reveal. I have got a watch this week from my buddy Timmy. You can follow him on Instagram at Timmy the Carpenter. I have happily helped him create a watch collection and addiction. And the benefit for me to get him hooked on watches is every time he gets one, he's going to give it to me to review for the channel. At least I think so, right, Timmy? And this one here is, Adrian guessed this correctly. I kind of put a teaser on Instagram. What is this? And Adrian, somewhere in time, you got it right. It's a Fossil, but it is not a Grand Tour Fossil at all. What happened when my buddy got this on sale at an outlet store, and he got to choose the box that the watch was packaged in. And so this is not like a racing style watch. It's not a chronograph kind of watch that you might think, but based on the packaging. Let me just show you real quick what it is. I am actually digging this one quite a bit. And so there it is. This is how the package comes, and it's all stainless steel. I believe that is PVD coated, and it is in fact a dive watch. So let me pull it out. I'm going to be doing a full review on this watch this coming weekend. Oh boy, it looks a little bit smudgy. Anyway, here, I'll wipe it off. I gotta use my shirt to do it. I don't have a cloth. How unprofessional of me. Also, by the way, I just watched a video that Reboot, a dude, did. And he was so kind to me. He gave me a shout out. He's another guy who has gotten into the watch collecting scene. He started with Watch Gang. And I've put him onto some watches as a result of my channel, and it just warmed the cockles of my heart. I told him in a comment. He just gave me a shout out. So I'm going to put Reboot a Dude's information in the pinned comment and the description, and go subscribe to his channel. Super guy. He's into watches, and he does some other things as well on his channel. But here is this Fossil. Let me just get up and close for you. It's a quartz watch, as you can see. It is a dive watch, as you can see, and I did get a chance to wear this today, and it's really nice. I am really digging this. My first impressions are great watch, and my buddy bought this for just $50. I don't know what model this is. I don't know how much they normally retail for, but he definitely got a deal at $50 with this one. And so let me just do the wrist check with it on. There it is. Timmy's got about the same size of wrist that I do, so I didn't have to do anything but put it on. We actually swapped watches today. I gave him one of my watches to wear for a bit, and he gave me this one. So thanks, Timmy, so much for loaning me this watch for the channel. This is the first time that I've seen a Fossil watch, first time that I've got a chance to wear it. And so full review of this one, it will be coming up likely on Monday. So thanks so much for just taking a minute to tune in and see this. And please subscribe. Check out the video that is about to appear as the end card on YouTube. Check it out. If you haven't subscribed already, please do that. And thanks for supporting the channel. God bless you. We'll see you for the review on this one on the weekend.